Hello and welcome to my e-portfolio. My name is Nathan Pease and I'm a student at USF Tampa. Right now I'm a junior studying finance, and although my bachelor's degree is going to say that on it, my true passion is blockchain slash cryptocurrency. My personal findings have led me to believe that through blockchain, our old outdated systems will be replaced with better trustless ones. Until that day, I'm a student of disruptional slash foundational technology and holder of digital assets. After I graduate, I plan on growing mushrooms as a hobby slash job until my personal revenues can support one of my business ideas. I'm an entrepreneur at heart, and I know mushrooms seem kind of weird, but they are actually really cool. And I urge everyone to check out at least one mushroom that you like, that you would want to maybe grow one day. So as we scroll down, we can see my work experience. When I first started out, I just did anything really. I was in high school, so I started out at a trampoline park. Then I went to Panera Bread, and then I stayed on the food route for a little bit. I did Tandoor out in Sarasota, Indian cuisine. And then I worked for the Cheesecake Factory, also out in Sarasota. On my fifth job, I worked as a door-to-door salesman out in San Antonio, Texas for a summer. And that was probably one of the biggest learning gap jobs I've ever taken in my life. It was pretty scary. I was only 19. And this last summer, actually, that just passed, I was an accountant for one of the biggest hospital organizations in the U.S., HCA, if you ever heard of them. And that was pretty cool too. I got to learn a lot about how companies function, because the accounting, it's about like the lifeline of the company, where the value is in the company. You're looking at the actual health of the company as being an accountant. Okay, enough boring stuff. Here is my resume. This is just let's see what I've focused on since I've been in college, and my specializations in software. Honestly, I just went with some basic ones here. If I was applying for a certain job, I would definitely spruce it up a little bit. But yeah, and as a reflection, I really enjoyed in this course the topics like AI, e-commerce, and blockchain. I really liked AI because it's being used about like learning the stars in the sky. Since it's not fully discovered, I get to use my imagination in the AI, and that's pretty cool. E-commerce is cool because it's like digital business, and I really like blockchain as well because it's our future payment networks. Thank you so much for listening.